Chapter 12: The Earth and its Neighbors. Get into. Tick the facts that are true about the Earth. Number 1. It is also known as the blue planet. Number 2. It is the largest planet in our solar system. Number 3. It takes 265 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Number 4. It is the only planet in our solar system that supports life. Number 5. Its surface is mostly covered by water. Earth is one of the 8 planets of the family of the Sun. The family of the Sun is known as the solar system. The Sun is the head of the family, around which all the other members of the family take rounds. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, the solar system. The Sun. The Sun is a star and lies in the center of the solar system. It is a massive ball of burning gases. It is around 100 times bigger than our Earth. The Sun looks bigger because it is closer to the Earth than any other star. It gives heat and light to planets in the system. The Sun is very important for our existence on Earth. In the absence of the Sun, our Earth would just be a ball of ice coated rock. Planets. There are a total of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets move around the Sun in fixed paths called orbits. The planets do not have their own light, they reflect the light of the Sun. The Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet in the solar system that has life. It has land, water, and air to support life. It is at the right distance from the Sun and is neither too hot nor too cold for plants and animals to live. Shape of the Earth. Much before the astronauts had gone into space and seen the round shape of the Earth, several ancient thinkers had reasoned that the Earth was round and not flat. They based their reasoning on their observation of ships. When ships came from a distance into the port, the flag on top of the ship was seen first. Later, the body of the ship became visible. This coined the idea that the ship is sailing through a curved, not a flat surface. To strengthen their idea, they started sailing from a certain point, sailed on, and reached the same point from where they had started. This can only happen if the path is circular. However, the Earth appears flat to us because what we see is only a tiny part of a very big arc. The Earth is not perfectly shaped like a ball. Rather, it is shaped like an orange, round from the sides and slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. Infomine. The upper point of the Earth is called North Pole, and the lower point is called the South Pole. Find and answer. What is the imaginary line that joins the North Pole and South Pole? Movements of the Earth. There are 2 types of movements shown by the Earth: revolution and rotation. Rotation of the Earth. The movement of the Earth spinning on its axis is known as rotation. It rotates from west to east. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This is called a mean solar day. Axis, North Pole, South Pole. The rotation of the Earth is responsible for the formation of day and night. As the Earth rotates, only one half of the Earth faces the Sun. This part of the Earth gets light from the Sun and experiences day. The other part of the Earth does not get light from the Sun and experiences night. Revolution of the Earth. While spinning on its axis, the Earth also revolves around the Sun. This movement of the Earth around the Sun in its orbit is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. This duration is called a year. Earth's revolution is responsible for the change in seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring. The moon. At night, we see a white or silver ball in the sky called the moon. The moon is a natural satellite of the Earth because it rotates around the Earth. It takes 29 and a half days to complete one rotation. The moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Phases of the moon. The revolution of the moon around the Earth makes the moon appear as if it's changing its shape. The changing shapes of the moon is called its phases. The phases of the moon depend on its position related to the sun and the earth. There are 8 phases of the moon. Up for review. Match the pictures with the sentences that suit it best. Point A. It changes its shape. Point B. It is a star. Point C. It has land, water, and air to support life. Stars. At night, we see so many stars twinkling in the sky. They are constant. Stars are the huge balls of gases that have light of their own. They appear very small or dim because they are far away from the Earth. The group of stars which form a pattern in the sky is called a constellation. The stars in the sky are divided into 88 constellations. Infomine. Pole star helps us to know the direction. A group of 7 stars is called Ursa Major or Great Bear Constellation. Saptarishi Mandal. In the north, before the first 2 stars of Ursa Major, there is a shining star called the Pole Star. In the east of Ursa Major, there is a group of 15 stars called Orion or the Hunter, Kal Purush. The other groups of stars are Southern Cross, Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, etc. Ursa Major, Orion, Scorpio, Leo. Take a look. Solar System. Family of the Sun of 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Movements of the Earth. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution causes change of seasons.